All right, Kim Shepard one more time, trying to wrap up video 11. This is video I. We'll get Joe Cooper-Sannon back with lesson 12, trying to give him a little bit of a break. So let's get to this last lesson in the probability section. We've got an example. In 2008, 49% of small employers offered health insurance, 14% offered retirement packages, 9% offered both benefits. We will choose a small employer at random. Draw a contingency table for this scenario. So I'm going to have one variable here and one variable up top. Over here, I'm going to put retirement plan. New marker. And so your employer, yes, offers a retirement plan, or no, they do not. And then that will be one variable. So this is retirement. Up top, I'm going to have whether or not my employer offers a health insurance program. So yes, they do. No, they don't. And let's see if we can fill this in. Okay, 49% of small employers offer health insurance. So 49% offer health insurance. If 49% offer health insurance, the other 51% do not. Those two probabilities sum up to 1. 14% offer a retirement package. Retirement, yes, 14%. If 14% offer a retirement package, the other 86% do not. Again, those probabilities sum up to 1. All right, one more piece of information. 9% offer both benefits, offer health insurance and a retirement plan. This is 9%. Now that we have that, we can actually fill in everything else. In total, 49% offer health insurance. Out of the 49%, we've got 9% accounted for here. If you subtract, that must mean that the other 40%, although they offer health insurance, do not offer a retirement plan. Going this way, if 14% altogether offer a retirement plan, 9% of those offer health insurance. The other 5% do not offer health insurance. And then finally here, you can go either way to figure this one out. Of the employers that do not offer a retirement plan, 86 do not offer a retirement plan. 40% do offer health insurance. The other 46% do not. And you could double check yourself, make sure your numbers add up. And again, your totals in both places should sum up to a total probability of 1. Okay, I'm going to refer back to this for some of the subsequent parts. So make sure that you have part A here readily accessible to answer the next couple of problems. All right, what's the probability that a small employer offers health insurance if we know that retirement's being offered? All right, we see that word, if we know. This tells me this is a conditional probability. I'm looking for the probability that, yes, they offer health insurance. If we know that, yes, they have a retirement plan. So this is a conditional probability. Remember, conditional, we looked at the probability of both. And we divide by the condition that's given. In this case, it's given. We know that they offer retirement. And so the likelihood that a company offers both, yes and yes, is 0.09. The likelihood a company offers a retirement plan is 0.14. And if you divide, we'll get a conditional probability of 0.6429. All right, part B. I'm going to see if I can leave my table up here. We'll see if it gets in the way. All right, part B. What's the probability that a small employer offers a retirement package if we know they offer health insurance? So again, this is a conditional probability. Just watch. This time what we know is not that they offer a retirement plan, but we know they're offering health insurance. So we want to know the likelihood that they offer a retirement plan if we know that they offer health insurance. Again, it's the probability of both. Divided by the condition that's given. This time the condition that's given is that they offer health insurance. And so the likelihood of both was, again, 0.09. But this time the likelihood that they offer health insurance, that was 0.49. And when we divide, this time we'll get 0.1837. So you see that which event is the condition is really important. This is much different than what we had in Part B. In Part B, you knew the company offered a retirement plan. In Part C, we know they offer health insurance. Very different. All right, D. Are offering health insurance and retirement packages, are they disjoint? And how do you know if they're disjoint or not? Remember, they're disjoint if they both can't happen at the same time. And look at that. Right there, they're both happening at the same time. An employer is offering a retirement plan and offering health insurance. So they are not disjoint. % of employers offer both. All right, draw a Venn diagram. Here are all the employers. Some of them offer a retirement plan. Some of them offer health insurance. And let me attempt to fill these in. 9% offer both. That's in the middle. The ones that don't offer either one, they're on the outside here. They do not offer a retirement plan. They do not offer health insurance. There's quite a few of them out here that don't offer either. Right here, this employer offers a retirement plan, does not offer health insurance. Offers a retirement plan, does not offer health insurance. 5% of the companies are out there. The companies that are here, they do offer health insurance. They are not a part of that retirement circle. No retirement plan. So yes to health insurance, no to a retirement plan. 0.40. And if you would like to double check yourself, those four numbers, they better add up to 1. Right? And if they don't, then you did something wrong there. So if we add up those four values, in this case, trying to do that quickly in my head, this is 14%, another 40, another 46. They will add up to 100% or sum to a probability of 1. You should be able to go back and forth from contingency tables to Venn diagrams or vice versa. We'll practice more of that in class. All right, one last question with this one. Show in 2 different ways that offering health insurance and offering retirement are dependent of one another. All right, I think I'm going to erase some of this stuff to have some room, so I'm at least going to erase this Venn diagram. I may eventually erase this contingency table. You've got this, I think I will. You have this in your notes, so I'll refer to that. All right, we want to show show that they're dependent. So if I knew the likelihood of, say, having health insurance, that was given right at the top of the problem. 49% of employers offer health insurance. I could look at the conditional probability. If I know a company offers a retirement plan, what is the probability they offer health insurance? If it's not 49%, then those things are dependent. And this was one that we already computed before as well. The likelihood of offering health insurance, yes to health insurance, given that they have a retirement plan, we did that back in Part B. We got a probability of 0.6429. If having health insurance and having a retirement plan were independent, these probabilities would be the same. It wouldn't matter whether you have a retirement plan or not. Across the board, 49%, there'd be a 49% likelihood of having health insurance. In this case, we see that, hey, if a company offers a retirement plan, they're actually a bit more likely to offer health insurance. So these events are dependent. So there's one. A second way that we could have done this, let me see what we did here. You could certainly have computed a different conditional probability. If this one's not equal, then if we had had retirement here, retirement given health insurance, they're not going to be equal either. But we could also look at computing this by using the conditional probability formula here. So what's the likelihood that we have health insurance, given that you don't have a retirement plan? Took me a second because to me this is kind of obvious, but this isn't going to be 49% either. But you know, if these things had been independent, all three of these would have been the same. This one we did not compute yet. So what's the likelihood a company offers health insurance if they do not offer a retirement plan? Well, this is the probability of both. Yes, they offer health insurance, and no, they do not offer a retirement plan. Divided by the given condition, no retirement plan. If you refer back to your table, the likelihood that a company offers health insurance but not a retirement plan was 0.40, and the likelihood a company offers a retirement plan was 0.86. And if you divide, we get 0.4651. Again, that's not the same as the likelihood of a company offering health insurance. If we know they don't offer a health or don't offer a retirement plan, there's a slightly less chance that they're going to offer health insurance than the overall percentage here. So if they were independent, we'd expect all these values to be the same. These conditions wouldn't matter. They would be the same as without the condition, and they're certainly not. So offering health insurance and retirement packages, they're definitely dependent upon one another, not independent in this one. All right, that wraps up lesson 11. I'm sure that we'll see lots more of Joe Cooper-Sannon back with lesson 12.